There's a better way. Hey there, rockstar business owner. Are you feeling it? That constant juggle? That feeling like you're wearing a dozen hats and half of them are on fire? You're passionate about what you do. You love serving your local community. But let's be real. Running a brick-and-mortar business in 2025 is tough. You're dealing with appointment bookings, trying to follow up with potential customers, and hoping for those glowing online reviews. It's a lot. You might feel like you're constantly putting out fires instead of focusing on growth. Maybe you're missing calls while with a client, or leads are slipping through the cracks because you just don't have enough hours in the day. It's exhausting, right? You dream of a smoother operation, a business that almost runs itself, freeing you up to do what you love most. Imagine not having to manually confirm every appointment. Picture a system that automatically reminds clients, reducing no-shows. All right, let's talk solutions. You're looking for that magic wand, right? Well, what if I told you it exists and it's called GoHighLevel? Now, I know what you might be thinking, another complicated piece of software to learn? Absolutely not. GoHighLevel is designed to be your all-in-one command center. It's like having a super efficient virtual assistant who works 24/7, never calls in sick, and handles a ton of tasks for you. Imagine consolidating all those different tools you might be paying for, your email marketing, your CRM, your scheduler, your funnel builder, into one powerful, easy-to-use platform. That's the beauty of GoHighLevel. It simplifies, it streamlines, it automates. This isn't just another tool, it's a complete operating system for your local business. GoHighLevel brings together everything you need to attract, nurture, and retain customers. We're talking about a unified platform that manages your leads, conversations, online reviews, appointment bookings, marketing campaigns, and so much more. Think of it as the central hub for all your client interactions and marketing efforts. No more logging into 5 different systems and trying to make them talk to each other. GoHighLevel is built for seamless integration, making your life so much easier. It's designed to give you back your precious time and help you scale without the usual growing pains. It's truly a game changer for busy entrepreneurs like you. Let's dive into one of the biggest time sucks for local businesses: appointment scheduling. Oh, the back and forth emails, the phone tag, the dreaded no-shows. It can be a nightmare, right? Well, GoHighLevel transforms this entire process. Imagine a world where clients can book appointments with you 24/7, directly from your website, your social media, or even a link in your email signature. They see your real-time availability, pick a slot that works for them, and boom, it's in the calendar. No more manual data entry for you, no more playing telephone tag to find a mutually convenient time. It's seamless, professional, and incredibly efficient for everyone involved. GoHighLevel's calendar system is super smart. You can set up different appointment types, assign them to specific staff members, and even block out your personal time. But the automation doesn't stop at just booking. The system can automatically send confirmation emails or texts to your clients. Okay, so you've got leads coming in. Fantastic. But what happens next? If you're like many busy business owners, those leads might sit in your inbox for a bit too long. Or worse, they get forgotten entirely. Ouch. Statistics show that the faster you respond to a new lead, the higher your chances of converting them into a paying customer. This is where GoHighLevel's automated follow-up sequences become your best friend. Imagine a new lead fills out a form on your website. Instantly, GoHighLevel can send them a personalized welcome email and a text message, letting them know you've received their inquiry and what to expect next. This immediate engagement is powerful. But it doesn't stop there. You can create entire nurturing campaigns. Let's say someone downloads a free guide from your site. GoHighLevel can automatically add them to a sequence that sends them a series of helpful emails over the next few days or weeks. These emails can provide more value, answer common questions, share testimonials, and gently guide them towards booking a consultation or making a purchase. This is all happening in the background 24/7 without you having to manually track and email every single lead. It's like having a dedicated sales assistant who never forgets to follow up, ensuring no lead ever falls through the cracks again. Section 5. Turn happy customers into raving fans. Automated review requests. We all know how crucial online reviews are in 2025, right? They're the digital word of mouth that can make or break your local business. Think about it. When was the last time you tried a new restaurant or hired a service without checking their reviews first? Exactly. Positive reviews build trust, boost your search engine rankings, and ultimately drive more customers to your door. But actively asking every single happy customer for a review can be awkward, time-consuming, and easy to forget when you're busy. This is another area where GoHighLevel shines with its smart automation. It makes getting those 5-star reviews almost effortless. Imagine this. A customer has just completed a service with you. Maybe they've finished their appointment or their project is complete. GoHighLevel can automatically trigger a review request to be sent to them via email or SMS a short time later. This message can be personalized, thanking them for their business, and politely asking them to share their experience on your preferred review sites, like Google, My Business, Yelp, or Facebook. You can even set it up to send a reminder if they don't leave a review after the first request. Section 6. Keep them coming back. Automated loyalty and retention. Attracting new customers is important, no doubt. But you know what's often more profitable and sustainable? Keeping your existing customers happy and coming back for more. Customer retention is where the real gold is. Loyal customers spend more, refer others, and are less price sensitive. So, how can GoHighLevel help you nurture these valuable relationships and build rock-solid loyalty? Through smart, automated campaigns designed to make your customers feel appreciated and engaged. It's all about continuing the conversation and providing ongoing value, even after the initial sale or service. This proactive engagement keeps your business top of mind. GoHighLevel allows you to segment your customer list and send targeted communications. For example, you could set up an automated birthday campaign. Section 7. The amazing payoffs, more time, more money, less stress. So, we've talked about all these incredible automation features within GoHighLevel: automated appointments, lead follow-up, review requests, and loyalty campaigns. But what does this all really mean for you, the hardworking local business owner? Let's break down the big, juicy benefits. First and foremost, you get your precious time back. So much time. Imagine all those hours you currently spend on manual scheduling, sending follow-up emails, or chasing reviews. GoHighLevel takes over those repetitive tasks, freeing you up to focus on what truly matters: serving your clients, innovating, strategizing for growth, or even just taking a well-deserved break. This reclaimed time is invaluable. Next up, let's talk money. More bookings, right? Automated scheduling and reminders mean fewer no-shows and a fuller calendar. Better lead follow-up means more conversions from prospects into paying customers. More positive reviews mean increased trust, and more new customers finding you and choosing you over competitors. Section 8. Ready to dive in? Your simple GoHighLevel starter guide. Feeling excited about what GoHighLevel can do for your business? I bet you are. You might be wondering, okay Marie, this sounds amazing, but is it complicated to set up? And the answer is, it's more straightforward than you think. GoHighLevel is designed to be user-friendly, but like any powerful tool, there's a little bit of a learning curve. The good news is, they offer great support, and there's a huge community of users out there. So let's walk through some simple steps to get you started on your automation journey. First things first, you'll want to head over to the GoHighLevel website and sign up for a trial. This gives you a chance to explore the platform risk-free. Once you're signed up, the initial setup involves connecting your essential accounts. This usually means linking your domain name, your business phone number, so you can use the SMS features, and your email for sending communications. You'll also want to connect your Google My Business profile to manage reviews and your social media accounts like Facebook and Instagram for integrated messaging. GoHighLevel provides clear instructions and wizards to guide you through these initial integrations. Take it one step at a time. Don't feel like you have to do everything on day one. Focus on getting the core connections established first, as these form the foundation for your automations. Section 9. Supercharge your success, the Fiverr Pro Edge, and your next step. GoHighLevel is user-friendly, but sometimes you need things done fast and right. Maybe you're not super techy or want advanced strategies from the start. Leverage Fiverr Pro experts. Fiverr Pro connects you with top-tier, vetted freelancers. They help with setup, automation, marketing funnels, and campaigns. It's like having an expert on demand. Hire a Fiverr Pro GoHighLevel specialist to save time. Customize the platform to your exact specifications. Accelerate your success. They assist with data migration, landing pages, email copy, and ongoing management. Maximize your investment in GoHighLevel and focus on your clients. Getting started with a Fiverr Pro expert is super easy.